If you're looking for the manual for the Singer Elite SE017, I am going to put the links in the description below so you can click on it. You are right, manuals are being less and less included in machine boxes, and that's because so many of them just get thrown away. Here's my tip on manuals. Number one, this little quick guide is very complete to remind you how to thread the serger, or just watch our threading videos once again until you have it mastered. But when it comes to the online manuals, keep in mind you can look at it on a phone, a tablet, your computer, and then you can honestly just print off the pages that you need. And talk about saving paper. That's probably the easiest. If you do like to take notes, again, you can print off the whole manual if you want, but I think what you'll find is that you look at it and then you just kind of put it in a drawer. So you choose what you need best, or just follow along with these videos. We have some of the wonderful Craftsy online courses linked below, along with other of our online courses if you are interested. But mastering a serger, we're going to show you the tips and tricks that you need to know for threading this correctly every single time, and what the importance of using good quality thread will be when you sit down to sew. So I hope you'll join us. Check out all of our free video tutorials on the Singer Elite SE017.